Hey guys, Clay at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 in cash if we're unable to give you a credit approval. We're looking at a 2011 model GMC Yukon Denali. Nice bright white color. This one has the 6.2 liter V8. Got the chrome front grille, fog lights and tow hooks on the front there. New headlights. Got 3 rows of seats. Fixed step rails on both sides, chrome door handles, chrome trim. A little bit of tread left on the tires. Then you got some 20-inch chrome plated wheels. Got keyless entry for it. It's also got a power lift back gate on there. Got a little storage room, and you can also lay that third row down if you needed some more. You just push that button to close. If you look right there, you got your towing package. Got a backup camera right there, and you got parking sensors on the back bumper. New tail lights as well. It does have remote start. Kill it with the remote too. Black leather interior. Captain's chairs on the second row, and then you got a bench seat in the third row. Got heated seats for the second row, and then you got your climate control and radio controls for the back. You've got a drop down TV screen you can play DVDs on. Got power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. You even got power fold mirrors, so they will fold in and fold out with that button there. Power adjustable seats in the front 2 seats. Got a sunroof up there. Open that up for you. Got a power adjustable steering wheel right there. There's your trailer brake system. Alright, got 162,000 miles, cruise control on the steering wheel. Also got toggle for your heated steering wheel. Got some controls for the radio on this side. You've got heated and cooled seats in the front 2 seats. I'm going to turn my cooled seat on. Got a nice big touchscreen media center here. It's got built-in navigation. It's CD player. I don't believe it has Bluetooth music, but you can hook your phone up for Bluetooth calling, and it's got auxiliary input. Dual climate control for the front. Power adjustable pedals for the driver. There's your parking sensor toggle switch right there. Quite a few features. Alright, if you're interested and you got a few more questions for me, please give me a call. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.